Also, I got frame sliders on here that are newly installed. What else do I have? Dude, oil change. I did an oil change on this bad girl like, oh my god, like 8 months ago, 9 months ago, maybe 10 months. No, I did it this year, so it's not 10 months ago or anything, but I did it so long ago. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, I didn't ride. I only rode like once after I did it. Once or twice I rode after that, and then I didn't. So like, I'm kind of like clueless on that part of, well, not really, because I want to start riding again. I still got a couple more months, like 2 or 3 more months until it's gonna be like a year since I did one. So I think I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm good. I'll still do the regular 1 year one. I don't want to let go of that. That is stupid to let go of that timeline. She no back, but she goes back today. Oh, we need agua. My girl thing is a water plug. Every little thing I do, turn her on. That auto start, I kiss every single body part. Her body's a work of art. I'm way too high, her skirt is short. I think of it was just a thought. I popped up in that coupe. I said, go back to the future. She said, two not in my mouth. Girl, you should have said it sooner. I be shitting on these homies like I'm sipping Metamucil and we smoking on that gas. Passing like, excuse you, when that 63 spiral. I damn, my homie. And if you're looking for me, I be on these girls' minds. No. These homies chicken, and I've never seen a chicken fly. My bitch been fussing at me about nothing. Ain't no telling what she do if I replace her. Like bait, I'm straight, plenty fish and I'm bait. We can't even have a decent conversation. I pop the seal on my seal, and she be like, "See, you go drink your life away." Bitch, is my life, my life, my life. Shout out Mary J. And tell them boys that beef tastes like a slice of cake. And old folks get shot too. They write down license plates. I hope that hold on cost ain't no cycle late. All this gotta stop, but I need tighter brakes. She said she no dyke, but she gonna dyke today. You hear me? She gonna dyke today. It's curtains for these homies. I feel like some drapes. Turned up, burnt up, stop the microwave. Hit it from the front, from the side, from the back. I hit it all top away. She throw it at me like I was one strike away. Flowers in me, I feel like a vase. Monsters in the closet, no more closet space. By the way, no music on. This is all memory. All right, all memory. So get at me, come at me, if you can. It is all memory. I wasn't even looking at traffic lights. I'm just following this car in front of me. Gang, gang, Gucci gang. Only person that's allowed to say gang, gang, or Rolls. Oh, I thought it was Rug Resources. I thought it was Rolls Royce. Doesn't look like the Rolls Royce logo symbol. Similar. State Farm. I'm not gonna lie, State Farm do be alright, but I miss the fat white dude. I remember that commercial where the dude's like, it's a husband. He's out of bed downstairs in his robe, calling somebody on the phone or talking to somebody on the phone and whispering. And like his wife wakes up, he's like, "Who's that bitch on the phone?" And she didn't say that, but I'm just saying that. That was a Ducati V4, but it was that extra money one where you get that cool looking colorway or whatever, that vinyl wrap or whatever on it. It was one of those. And she's like, "Who's that bitch on the phone?" And he's like, "It's not a bitch on the phone, it's Jake from State Farm. We're just making sure that I'm covered." So we've got you covered from back, side to side. All holes are covered. State Farm. Do it our way. The raw way. Get it? The raw way. Shorty turned up, burnt up, stop the microwave. Life is hard to swallow, but she liked it. She liked the taste. Dude, that is so wrong. That is, I wonder what they have in that box though. That is so wrong though. Like, astronomically wrong to say that. Life is hard to swallow, but she liked the taste. Like, come on, man. How can you say that and get away with it? Why can't I say stuff like that and get away with it, huh? Why can't I say stuff like that and get away with it, huh? Oh, that dude on a Razor scooter, he don't give a F in traffic. Go, go, go. Go. No? See, I'm trying to be nice. Trying to be nice. I'm telling him to go, but maybe he saw the backwards of it and me going like that, because I'm going like that, right? But maybe he's seeing it like that, where I'm saying get in. Like, don't ever get in. Or I'll cut your face up with the switchblade that I keep Ferrari. Same dude. The switchblade that I keep in my mouth. Because in my childhood, man, I've seen things. I've done things. All right, we gotta give her some post-workout shake, so should be around here somewhere. Camry, something about you I don't respect. I don't know why. The way you're in the lane, the way you kept a big gap, I don't respect it. I just don't. So I'm gonna take the spot, and I'm not gonna apologize for it. I'm just gonna take it because that's what I do. Dude, so many old people live here. I got a friend who lives here because he lives with his grandparents or whatever, and like takes care of them because he's a nice guy. But like, there's so many old people live here. Like, this is crazy. There's gonna be old folks everywhere. Old folks get shot too. All right, old folks get shot too. They write down license plates. I hope that hold on call ain't no psycho late. All this gotta stop, but I need tighter brakes. I wax that ass, she make that Mr. Miyagi face. Hey, she ain't all that pretty, but I like her shape. They say numbers don't lie, she's shaped like an 8. I really like these levers, shorty levers, that's where it's at, man. 2 fingers is all you need in life. You don't need any more than that. They're both in the tight clothes. You got tight jeans on and he's got a tight shirt on. Perfect couple right there. Perfect couple right there. Tesla turn, make a U-E and let it smoke you, blow you from the back in the exhaust hole. Nah, a Tesla would destroy me right now. I'm not in top shape form right now. Me and Broly, this is not there. I could destroy that though. Probably not. No, I don't think there's any supercar or hypercar out there right now that Broly can make some sex, like a sex tape with, and actually come on top. I will get smoked by everything right now. Small talk, my girl thing is a water park. Every little thing I do, turn her on. That auto start, I kiss every single. I thought that was the cop car, that Merc. She said, "Tune, not in my mouth, not in my mouth, Tune." You should have said it. So you should have said something sooner. All I'm saying is you should have said something sooner. You know how I am, you know how I do, you know what I'm known for. If not in the mouth, where else? That right there is something that I've seen with my own 2 eyes, and I wouldn't have believed it if I didn't see it. If I didn't see it. You can't do that. I only have a small little mirror. I can't see if you're gonna blaze it and look in the front and the back and all these sorts of ways. I knew he wanted to go because he kept looking in the side mirror, but I just didn't feel like it. And then he was doing it and I couldn't help myself. And then like, I was looking back to see if he's coming at me. He was, but I couldn't tell because he just wouldn't pull up. And then when he blazed by, because I needed to switch lanes because I knew the lanes were going to merge, like it was just too much misunderstandings where if you're going to gun it, then gun it and stay with me, then keep up with me. Which I know you can, but like you can't just leave me hanging like that and then just blaze by me thinking that I'm gonna do something. We already hit it, I already beat you, it's already over. But like, I could gun it from the beginning. You kind of feel it sometimes when somebody's gonna gun it or not. I thought I was a young blood already, but at the same time, like, you know, young blood or not, you gotta give me some sort of sign. I ain't no genie. You can't just run my tushy and, you know, 3 witches come out and I'm just gonna know what's on your mind. It doesn't work like that, all right? Ain't no crystal ball over here. We got twins in the playpen, but I can guarantee you right now, if you rub them, it's not a crystal ball. I ain't not gonna tell you not gonna tell you the future. I can tell you that right now. Trust me, chicks have tried. It doesn't work like that. Hit it from the front, from the side.